So, we'll go to the twins' house, right? We'll give them their anniversary gifts, and then we'll apologize for trashing their house. And then we get our special treats. Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Did I drive last night? Yeah, I think so. Really? I'm not sure. Dude, where's your car? Dude, it's not funny, dude. The car is gone. Yeah. Dude, where's my car? Shut up, dude! Okay, look. You're right. I know what we need to do. We need to get back into the state of mind that we were in last night. That way, we can retrace our steps. Yeah. Sense memory, simulated perception, altered consciousness memory retrieval. Discovery Channel. Nice. Nelson's? Shimmy. Yeah. I'm sick of walking, dude. Me too. Hey, it's Mrs. Krabbleman. She'll give us a ride. Hey, Mrs. Krabbleman! Hey! Hey! Mrs. Krabbleman.
Fucking stoners.
She must not have recognized you. Hey, it's the Binglemans.
Oh, hey.
Mr. Bingleman! Hey, Mr. Bingleman! Maybe we should just walk. Yeah. Listen, Nelson. The car's gone. And we need to do this little sense memory thing so we can get back in the state of mind that we were in last night.
Deep in your consciousness, you must look. Concentrate on the knowledge inside, you must. Aha! Your eyes you must close. And you take it to the mouth. Concentrating you're not, dudes.
Sorry. Is your dog dead?
Not dead. Come here, Jackal. Come here, boy.
I don't think he's coming. Maybe he's deaf, dude.
Deaf he is not, dude. Come here, Jackal. Come here, Jackal.
Does he know any other tricks besides not moving?
God, man. All right, you want to see a trick, man? Hey, Jackal. Yeah. Bite down, killer. Here comes the fun. All right. Ah, good boy, Jackal. Good boy. Breathe deep. There you go.
Dude, your dog's a stoner. Can he also bong a beer?
Nah, pretty much all he does is lie around and smoke his pipe.
Hey, Jackal, can I see your pipe?
Very protective of his pipe. When other people touch it, he does not like.
Sorry, Jackal.
Yeah, see, he's sorry. Holy crap.
That's one psycho dog, dude. Yeah. Hey, you know what we should do now?
Eat?
No. Eat.
Choice excellent, my friend. I'll get the keys.